Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot. So today in lecture 19th we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 11 for chapter 19 excretory products and their elimination. So let's start with the video. Question first. A decrease in blood pressure volume will not cause the release of option A is ADH, option B is renin, option C is arterial natriuretic factor, and option D is aldosterone. So the right answer is option C, which is atrial natriuretic factor. Question second, pick the correct statement. Option A is ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. Option B is descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. And option C is ascending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to water. And option D is descending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to electrolytes. The right answer is option A, ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. Question third, part of nephron involved in active reabsorption of sodium is option is proximal convoluted tubule, option B is distal convoluted tubule, option C is descending limb of Henle's loop, and option D is Bowman's capsule. So the right answer is option D, which is Bowman's capsule. Question 4. Typically, human urine is acidic as option A is hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. Option B is sodium transporter exchanges one hydrogen ions for each sodium ion in peritubular capillaries. Option C is excretory plasma proteins are acidic. Option D is potassium and sodium exchange generates acidity. The right answer is option A, hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. Question 5. Which of the following cause an increase in sodium reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubule? Option A is decrease in antidiuretic hormone levels. Option B is increase in aldosterone levels. Option C is decrease in aldosterone levels. And option D is increase in antidiuretic hormone levels. The right answer is option B, which is increase in aldosterone levels. Question 6. Maximum amount of electrolytes and water, about 70 to 80% from the glomerular filtrate and reabsorbed in which part of the nephron? So the first option is proximal convoluted tubule. Second option is ascending limb of loop of Henle. Third option is descending limb of loop of Henle. And last option distal convoluted tubule. The right answer is option A, which is proximal convoluted tubule. Question 7. Presence of RBCs in urine is option A is uremia, option B is ketonuria, option C is glucosuria, and option D is hematuria. So the right answer is option D, which is hematuria. Question 8. This is a common characteristic observed in both human beings and adult frogs. Option A is urotelic mode of excretion, option B is internal fertilization, option C is nucleated RBCs, and option D is four-chambered heart. The right answer is option A, urotelic mode of excretion. Question 9. This is not part of renal pyramid. Option A is loop of Henle. Option B is convoluted tubules. Option C is collecting ducts. And option D is peritubular capillaries. The right answer is option B, convoluted tubules. The last question for this lecture is, this amongst the following correctly explains the function of a specific part of the human nephron. The option A is efferent arteriole, carries blood away from the glomerulus towards the renal vein. The option B is distal convoluted tubules, reabsorption of potassium positive ions into the surrounding blood capillaries. Option C is Henle's loop, most reabsorption of the major substance from the glomerulus filtrate. And option D is podocytes, which is create minute space for filtration and blood into the Bowman's capsule. The right answer for this question is option D, which is podocytes, which create minute spaces for filtration of blood into the Bowman's capsule.